What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to move your website from your local server down to your online server, and we'll be doing it even to a website that is as large as up to 100 gigabyte size. So it doesn't matter the size of the website. I'm going to be showing you an easy way to upload the whole full website to your online server or to a new domain. Without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, this is Kingsley from Bless Channel. In case you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget to always click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, this is the main website we are going to be moving to the new domain. So I'm going to now, you can see this was actually done using local. So that this particular work is on my system right now. It's not online. So I'm going to be taking this work off from my system and I'm going to be uploading it online. So by the time I do this, I'm going to click come here. I'm going to use the dashboard. We are going to go and install all-in-one VP migration. So you can go to plugins, add new, and install all-in-one VP migration. I already have it installed on my system. So you can, once you install it and activate it, you are going to see this menu here. So I'm going to come over here and click on export. So I'm going to be exporting this present website and to the new, so that I'll be able to have the file that I'll be uploading to the new website. So now I'm going to just wait for it to open the page. So you can see from what I'm having here is already opening. So now this is where it's going to take me to this particular site. So once I'm here, I'm going to just come here and click on export, and I'm going to export to file. So I'm going to click on export to file. This might take some couples of minutes to actually finish export. So I'm going to just wait for it, and once it's finished exporting, I'm going to now, okay, while I'm actually waiting for this to finish exporting, I'm going to go ahead to my cpanel, where I'm going to, you can see it's working. So I'm going to go to my cpanel. You can see this is my cpanel. I'm already logged into my cpanel. So once you do that, you can come to your scripts. Then you click on WordPress. I'm holding control so that I open it on a new tab. You can see it here. So now I'm going to now click on install. I'm going to create a new. I'm going to click on quick install. So now I'm going to now select the domain I want to install this particular script to. I want to install it, so I have a subdomain I actually created here. You can see I have this subdomain I want to install this to. So now I'm going to now come over here and try to click set up my admin details and everything I want. So I'm going to set it up the way I want it to be. So I'm saying something here, I don't want this quick install. So I'm going to now, I'm going to custom install. I want to do some settings myself. So I'm going to ask web change it to custom install. So selected the domain name, and I'm going to enter the site name. So site name I'm going to use um bless wp. I'm going to use bless wp. Okay, that's what I'm using. So now I'm going to use, okay, on this side, let me just copy premium, or let me just copy from here and come down there and just paste it here so as to make it faster. So now I'm just going to quickly create a username and password I'll be using for the site. So I can just say the username should be, let me say something like this. Let me see, the username should be this. So the password, I'm going to just create a password, or you can auto generate one from here. So me, I'm just going to create, I'm going to create a password. So I'll quickly create a password. So I've created my password. So now on the admin email, you can now set your admin email to whatsoever you want. So I'm going to just make use of any email as my admin email. So now I'm going to now come over to where you want. I don't want this to be installed. So I don't want any plugins. So I just on this side, I'm going to come here. I want to change it. So I'm going to change it to something like I want something I'll be able to remember on time. So WP. Yeah. One thing you should note while creating this, you have to make sure it is not of more than 7 characters because if it's more than 7 characters, it's not going to accept. So now you can see my I have just 7 characters here. So now I'm going to now go and scroll down. Although depending on your hosting provider, that's so it might differ from yours. But on my own, I'm using Namecheap as my this, so that's why I change it has to be maximum 7 characters. So now I'm going to also upgrade. I don't want it to also upgrade plugins. I don't want it to also upgrade WordPress themes. So then this let's just I'm going to just leave this one. Then now I'm coming to here. I'm going to leave it as the first folder. Then on this side, maybe I want it to be back up once a month. Then backup rotation. I will just leave it as two. So I'm going to now scroll down and select a theme. I'm going to just select this theme, then decide to put any email here, but you can just click on install. Once you click on install, if you scroll up, you're going to see that it has started installing. So now let's check our website if it has finished. You can see on this one it has finished installing this particular website for me. So now I'm going to check what you have on your website. I just click on this and you are going to see. Let me click on it. So that you see the new website, how it looks like. And see this is how the website looks like. Not really something beautiful. So now I'm going to show you how to move this particular website we are seeing here to this particular domain here. Now I'm going to now conceive it's still exporting. So just give it some time. So I'm going to now once you do that, I'm going to come to my you can see I can click here or you can just come here and add WP so admin. So I'm going to just click here so that it opens from here. It's going to redirect and take me straight into my dashboard. So you can see I'm in my dashboard now. So what I'm going to now do, I'm going to come over to where we have plugins and click on add new plugin. So you can see everything is so I'm going to now search for all in one. I'm going to search for all in one VP migration. Once I search for all in one, you are going to see this is the one we are going to be installing all in one. This is the one we are going to be installing. You can see all in one VP migration has about 5 million active installation. So you can just click on this. I'm going to click on this and install this particular plugin. So once I install it, I'm going to activate it. You're going to see it's going to create a new menu here. So once that is done, now I what I want to be doing now, I have this installed already. Sorry, I quickly had to install it, but if let me go ahead. Okay, still exported. Okay, now another thing I'll be doing, I'm going to go to my cPanel again, and I'm going to now go because I like uploading my files directly to my file manager on my website. So that is why I had to navigate to I want to open my file manager. So I'm going to on this I can close this now. So on my file manager, I'm going to go to where I have my bless WP. Just navigate to where okay, where is it? Bless WP, the bless you can see this is it. It's just having a blank installation. I think that's the website. Okay, then I'm going to come to where I have this site. Then you can see because of the all-in-one VP migration I installed, it announced it created this particular folder. can see when I open my themes, you can see my plugins, you can see I only have just one plugin in it. So you can see everything is looking very clear. So I'm going to now go back. Now on this, I'm going to open this folder, this all-in-one VP migration. So once the website finish exporting, I'm going to upload this XML file to this particular folder. I'm going to upload it to this folder. So let me just exercise a little patience and do show you how to do that. Another way you can also do that is you can still do it on your cPanel by coming to here and click on import. Once you click on import, then it's going to bring you and ask you to select the file you want to import. But now I'm just want to just I prefer most of the time uploading it directly to the cPanel. But I'm going to show you what to do with each any of them. So let me just wait for this particular file to finish exporting. It has finished backing up the website. So you can see the size is 460 16 MB. So now what I'm going to do, yours might be even larger than this. So let's now go to where we have, I'm going to navigate to my, remember I said I did this on localhost. So I'm going to navigate to where I have that particular file saved. So I can go to, I'm going down to the plugins and say to be saved in only one VP migration folder. Then you can see this is the file here. You can see 400. This is the size of the file here, 450. You can see well here. You can see it's 4. So that I can now, what I'm going to do, you can now upload this particular file directly. But I'm going to, so that the size will be reduced a little for me to be able to upload easily. I'm going to zip this particular file. So I'm going to right click on it and add to achieve, then click on save. So I can decide to name this whatever I want to name it. So I can just make it, and after doing that I can click on open. So it will take a little time, some couple of minutes for this to complete. So once that is complete, we can now continue. I'll just wait for it a little. But remember I said you have to, you can still from here, you can see from here now I can click on file, import file, then just bring in the file I actually, this the, I can just do that, and then once I click on that, then bring in this particular file, this one here. I'm going to now just have to bring in this file. I'm going to, so it will still import it. But I said earlier I want to use do it from, I prefer using uploading into my file manager. So let me just navigate to ensure I'm in the particular place. So WP content, WP content, all in one VP migration. You can see there's nothing here. I'm going to upload it into this particular folder. So I'm just going to click and see it has finished extracting. It has finished adding it to RAR. So you can see it's no longer 4 something, it's now 115. So I'll be uploading this file now to my server. So I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to now click on new. I can just drag the file here. I can just, so let me just do the dragging. So just drag this particular file, the zip file. I'm going to drag it down to this place. And so once I do that, it will start uploading. So you can see it's actually uploading. So I'm just going to wait for this again to finish uploading. Then I'm going to proceed to show you what the next step. All right, you can see it has finished uploading. So now I'm going to, once you are uploading, you have to make sure when it turns green, before that's when it's the uploading has already completed. If it doesn't turn green, you still need to wait for it to finish and turn to green color. So now I'm going to now click on start to this particular site. So once I click on that, it's going to return me back here. So you can see this is a file I've uploaded here. So once you've uploaded the file, what the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on extract. Click on the file and extract it. So I'm going to extract it to this same folder. So once I do that, you're going to see is it has finished extracting. So if I should refresh this page, you can see this is a file here. So I can now click on this and do away with this particular file. click on this and click on delete. So I'm going to now delete. You can see it has been deleted from here. So now if but when I do this now, if I should go back to my then if I should go back to this particular place and check my backups, you're going to see, or let me refresh this. If I once I refresh this, you're going to see I have new backup here. You can see it has indicated that I have a new backup here. So once I click on this backup, you're going to see I have this is the file here. I have this file here. So now I can now click on this side. Should I should say restore. You can see restore that I need the paid extension. So you can see from here I can't, it's more or less like I can't go further again. So what I'm going to be doing now, remember I said we are going to be uploading is with the I'm going to be we are going to come to this particular side and click on add new. So once you click on add new, I'm going to upload another plugin. So I'm going to come over here, or let me just drag in the file I want to upload. To go, I already have the file open here, so I'm going to just bring them there. I'll drag in this to this side. You can see we have it here. So now I'm going to now click on this. In case you need this particular file, I'm going to be dropping a link to where you can get it. So you just install it. So it's actually the old version of this particular all-in-one VP migration. So I can just once I do that, I'll click on replace with uploaded. So once I do this, we are going to see it here. So that's okay. So once I go, it has been uploaded successfully. And if I go to return to plugin installer, now let me check my plugins once. So now let me now go to my plugins. Now once it has been uploaded already. You can see it has been uploaded. So now there's no need for it. Don't click on update. So now I'm going to now go back to where I have this and check my backup. Once I go to backup, you can see I now have a different layout for that. So I can you can now see restore here. So now I'm going to now click on the restore. Once you click on restore, you can see it's actually proceeding to restore my site. So once I do that, I'm going to now click on proceed. So it will just take some couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes is going to be done, or even lesser than that. So you can see the taking going on very fast. So let's just wait for it to finish. Before you know it, everything is going to be completed. Remember, this is what we have as our old website. So I'm going to be after doing that, I'm going to show you how this can see from what we have here. It has the data has been imported successfully. Just click on this permalink to update the permalink. Now it's requesting that you log in. Now you are going to log in with the particular login details you used on the old website. So I'm going to log in with the details I actually used. So I'm going to log in with the details I actually used. So I'm going to just click on login. So you can see it brought me here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to update the permalink. You can see on the name. I'll make sure it's on post name. Then I'll once I do that, I'm going to now come to where I have save changes and click on save changes. So once I do this, now I will now go to my website. This is the old website. Let's see what happens by the time I refresh the website. You can see that once I refresh the website, everything will just done in the other side. You can see everything came back. So I now have this whole website now showing on. You can see everything now is now just the way we have it on this other one here. Just the way we have it on the local, that is the same way we have it here. So I believe this video. So with this particular plugin, with the one this plugin now, you can be able to upload even up to 100 GB of website size of website. So if your size is too large and it's telling you just use the same procedure, or you're trying to upload to WordPress and it's showing you that it's too large, you can still use the same procedure. Just go ahead, go to just navigate to the folder in your cPanel and upload it there. And once you do that, you go to your website and you can proceed to and do anything you want to do on it. So now Now, I believe this particular video must have actually helped in solving the problem you are actually having, or actually helped in showing you how to upload your file from how to upload your website from your local server down to the online server. So this, in case you actually need a different way, I'll drop in another link. There's another video I actually created how to upload your files from your system to. So I will be dropping the link in the description box below, or you can check in this at the top here. You're going to see a video where I'm going to be showing you how to upload this, how to do several things. So in case you are just joining me for the first time and you've not yet, you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new video. You can see from here I have, from my video now, I have a lot and lot of videos you can actually learn from. I have a lot of videos I've uploaded that will be very useful for you. How to create a school management system, how to create a BTC investment website, how to create an e-commerce website, how to get a free domain. I have so a lot and lot of videos you can actually learn from. So now this is where I'm actually going to stop. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please, if you enjoyed this video and you like this video, make sure you click on the like button, and also, if possible, share this video to whosoever you feel will be will this video will be helpful to that person. So until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Bye for now.